Hello everyone, I am your English teacher Richa Sharma from California Public School. I hope you all are fit and fine at your place. So, today we are going to start with our same chapter, chapter number 4, The Parrot Who Wouldn't Talk. Yesterday we have yesterday we have read half of the chapter, and today we are going to continue it. So we have read that Aunt Ruby had bought a parrot, and the parrot didn't like her, and she used to say so many things to the parrot, but the parrot was always backing out. The parrot was always backing away from her because he didn't like her. And we know very well that one day parrot suddenly come forward and knocked on the Aunt Ruby's spectacles. And after that incident, Aunt Ruby also started disliking the parrot, and she always used to say him that you are of no use, you cannot sing, you cannot talk, you cannot dance. So all these things we have read yesterday. Now we are going to continue it, and please keep your notebook with you and note down the important points and the meaning of the words which are looking difficult to you. So now we are going to start it. Yes, grandmother then put me in charge of feeding because Aunt Ruby was not talking to the parrot, or Aunt Ruby started disliking the parrot. So she was also not feeding the parrot. Feeding means giving food to the parrot. After that, grandmother had put me. Me means beta the narrator. Okay, narrator. The narrator who is the person who is telling us this story. Okay, grandmother then put me in charge, and she give me the duty of feeding the parrot, you can say. ठीक है, grandmother put me in charge of giving food to the parrot. He was quite happy. Quite means very. Okay, he was quite happy to take green chilies and ripe tomatoes from my hand, and the parrot liked the narrator. Okay, the parrot liked the narrator. So the parrot was happy to take green chilies and ripe tomatoes from my hand. I gave him slices, or you can say pieces of mango. This gave me the chance to eat a few mangoes myself, and the narrator used to eat some of the slices of mango himself also. वो खुद भी खा लेते थे. One afternoon, while everyone was in the dining room, I gave the parrot his lunch. Okay, one day what happened that everyone was in the dining room, and the narrator fed the lunch to the parrot. But by mistake, the narrator left the cage open. Okay, by mistake, I left the cage open. Seconds later, the bird was winging its way into the freedom of mango orchard, and as soon as the bird found that the door was open, so it started flying, and he made his way into the mango orchard. Orchard means garden. Okay, at the same time, grandfather came onto the veranda and remarked, I saw your aunt's parrot has escaped. And grandmother informed that I see your parents escaped. The grandfather told the narrator कि मैंने अभी देखा है कि जो parrot है which was bought by Aunt Ruby escaped, you can say ran away or got free. Okay, the door was quite loose, I said with a shrug, and the narrator made excuse that the door was quite loose. वो जो door है cage का वो बहुत ज़्यादा loose था, so that's why it succeeded in flying out. Aunt Ruby was upset. I thought we would never see the parrot again, and Aunt Ruby was upset. No doubt, she started disliking the parrot, but still, she was upset. The narrator thought that we would never see the parrot again. Narrator ने सोचा था कि शायद हम कभी भी उस parrot को दोबारा नहीं देखेंगे. But a few days later, I found the parrot sitting on the veranda railing. Okay, but what happened few days later, that the narrator found the bird sitting on the veranda railing. Railing means fence or barrier. जो verandas की railing थी, you can say जो आसपास बैरियर्स बने होते हैं, दैट. Okay, I found the bird sitting on the veranda railing. Unselfishly, I gave the parrot half of my mango, and without thinking of himself, the narrator shared his mango with the parrot. Unselfishly, he shared his mango with the parrot. While the bird was enjoying the mango, Aunt Ruby came out of her room. Okay, while the bird was enjoying mango, when he was enjoying mango, Aunt Ruby came out of her room and cried out and screamed out, "Look, there is my parrot. He must have missed me." And she said, "There is my parrot, and उसने मुझे बहुत मिस किया होगा." With a loud squawk. Squawk means a loud noise made by a bird. Okay, squawk meaning is given here. A loud noise made by a bird. With a loud squawk, the bird flew out of her reach and perched. Perched means beta sat. Okay, perched on the nearest rose bush. There was a rose bush, and the parrot, as soon as Aunt Ruby came near the parrot, he flew out of her reach and sat on the nearest rose bush. He glared at Aunt Ruby, and glared means saw. He glared at Aunt Ruby and screamed at her in my aunt's familiar tone. Now this is very funny thing. He glared at Aunt Ruby and screamed and shouted. Oh, Aunt Ruby की familiar voice में ही parrot ने बोला, "You are useless." Now the parrot is saying to the Aunt Ruby. Okay, Aunt Ruby used to say to the parrot na that you are useless, can't talk, can't sing, can't dance. But now parrot was saying this same thing to the aunt. You are useless, can't talk, can't sing, can't dance. Aunt Ruby went ruby red. You know, she was turned red then, and ran inside her room. But that wasn't the end. But वो end नहीं था. The parrot became a regular visitor. The parrot became a regular visitor to the garden and veranda. Parrot used to come there daily now. Daily to the garden and veranda, and whenever it saw Aunt Ruby, और जब भी वो Aunt Ruby को देखता था, it would call out, "You are useless, can't talk, can't sing, can't dance." Okay, he used to repeat these sentences to her. The parrot had learned to talk after all, because Aunt Ruby always told her that you can't talk, can't sing, can't dance. But the parrot was listening to her, and he learned also from her these sentences, and now he was speaking these same sentences to her, that you are useless, can't talk, can't sing, can't dance. Okay, so the parrot had learned to talk after all. So this is all about this story, that whatever we speak in front of the parrot, or whatever Aunt Ruby spoke in front of the parrot, it learned. But the thing that the parrot disliked her, the parrot was not liking to stay in that caged bird. वो उसको उस केज में रहना पसंद नहीं था. So that's why it was not ready to talk, not ready to sing, not ready to dance. So that's why he was behaving like that. But as soon as he got free from that cage, he he was happy. He was talking also, you know, he was enjoying himself, and he had repeated all these sentences in front of Aunt Ruby. Okay, so we should not cage any bird. We should set them free, so that they can visit anywhere and they can live freely. So this is all from this story. This is all from my side. I hope I have cleared your doubts, and I will ask questions also in MCQs form, and I will give you in a homework. Okay, as a homework I will give you those MCQs question answer. So I hope you will solve it by yourself. So this is all from my side. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.